Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I've got another unbagging. And this one is going to be a 30 by 30, and it is a partial special drill. And again, this is from Amazon, and it is with the canvases that I purchased that was less than $10. So this is a poured glue, so I am going to fold it back on itself. And then that way it'll flatten out just a little bit. And it is very colorful, very pretty. And with this canvas is just your generic little toolkit. It's got your little green boat, one little square of wax, and your pink pen. Now, this one, let's see. This one was $3.90. But look at it, isn't it pretty? But it is, like I said, it's a 30 by 30, and it has a schematic on the lower left, top right. It has the serial number on the bag and on the kit right there. Or on the canvas, I'm sorry. And again, I hope everybody's having a great day. I am bulk filming. So if I forget to say, I hope everybody's having a great day, it's because I've said it like 5 times now, and I keep forgetting what I am saying. So, it has 13 colors, and like I said, they are all special drills. So, look at these. Those are ABs. Those are pretty. And then you've got yellow, and you've got some orange, pink, some reds, blues, some more blue, that's just a little darker blue, and then some more blues that are a little bit bigger, and these are orange and red. Ooh, look at these. Aren't those pretty? And look at that pink and this teal. Aren't those pretty? Wow. Can y'all get a good look at that? I'm trying to not have the glare on it. But aren't these pretty? I love doing these things. It's just, it's like just a little different from your normal diamond painting. And it's like having a little break in between. But yeah, those are really, really pretty. So I'm going to bring you down a little bit. And let me tilt this to where the glare's not so bad. But isn't that pretty? Look at all those colors. And this will be quick. I mean, it's just a little 30 by 30. But usually, these little special drills, they don't take long at all to do. But yeah, look at that. Very clear. And then this is the schematic. So 13 different gems. Very, very, very pretty. And it's very sticky. And with this being a partial, the only thing that you drill is going to be the picture itself. This right here, this is not sticky. That you do not drill. It's just the picture itself. But isn't that pretty? I really, really love the colors on how colorful it is. Very pretty. And again, I only gave, oh, where'd it go? I've got everything written down over here. Yeah, $3.90. Now, I do have Amazon Prime, so I ordered these, I think, 2 days ago. So it only took like 2 days to get to me. So that is the great thing about Amazon Prime, y'all. Quick shipping. So, what do y'all think about this one? Do you like it? Do y'all like special drills? Or even partial kits? Have y'all ever done one? I love them. Alright, y'all. Again, I hope you're enjoying this little, I hate to call it a series, but I don't, for lack of a better term. Anyway, I just hope y'all like these little videos I'm throwing out here. And until my next video, y'all, I hope everybody's having a wonderful day, wonderful week. And hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.